In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. Creating channels is one of the simplest ways to keep communication organized inside a Slack workspace. Instead of mixing every conversation into one place, you can separate discussions by project, team, topic, or department, so everything stays easier to find and much easier to manage. To begin, open Slack on your desktop app or sign in to your workspace using a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Channels. Move your cursor over that heading and you should see a plus icon appear on the right side. Click that plus icon and from the menu that opens, choose Create a Channel. A channel creation window will appear on your screen. In the name field, type the name you want to use for the channel. Keep in mind that Slack channel names need to be written in lowercase. They can't include spaces and they must stay under 80 characters. A clear name helps everyone understand the purpose of the channel right away. So it's a good idea to make it short, specific, and easy to recognize. Below that, you'll see the description field, which is optional. This is where you can add a quick summary explaining what the channel is for. Even though this part isn't required, it's very useful because it gives teammates helpful context when they're browsing the workspace. And next, decide whether the channel should be public or private. Look for the Make Private toggle near the lower part of the window. If you leave it off, the channel will be public, which means people in the workspace can find it and join it. If you turn it on, the channel will be private, meaning only invited members will be able to see and access it. Choose the setting that matches how open or restricted you want the conversation to be. Then click the Create button. After the channel is created, Slack will open an Add People window automatically. At this stage, you can either add all workspace members if this is meant to be a broad announcement or shared team space, or you can add specific people by typing their names into the search box and selecting them from the list. Once you've made your choice, click Add. If you'd rather do that later, just select Skip for now. Finally, Slack will take you directly into your new channel. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the channel has been created. To make sure everything is working, click into the message box, type a short welcome message, and press Enter to post it. That's it. You've successfully created a new Slack channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.